This is my new mascot, and I am going for a bike ride now with friends, 50 kilometers or so, and this is Banpe. I'm going to meet them now. Not too hot today, that's good. Lucky friends. Who is here? Yes, my new mascot. And the new rider too. Haha.
Brigitte macht das immer. Fahr doch links. Nicht links. So, ich wollte nach rechts.
Ja, auf der Karte wäre es schon richtig. Nice and fresh. Not hot. Beautiful.
Welcome to the future. Are you ready? All the roads you know are slowly moving away.
How's our new temple? Ooh. Uphill hard. Been alright, huh? Yeah. Oi, new temple, huh? But this is on the hill. It's beautiful here. I like it. Wonderful. Schön. Beautiful. Nice sunset. Look at this. Very calm. No noise.
I think I just came.
On this beat, had to go and get it in. Knock on your door, baby, come and let me in. I'm here to ride it out, so baby, settle in. I'll be your remedy, call me your medicine. That's right, your doctor. Yeah, have a little sip of this vodka. Let's get to the physical part of this examination. Call me your proctor. So finish on time. She finished whenever you need. Turning you out while you're turning me on. Better than ever, you better believe. Yes. Trying to go for broke, too much love, calling overdose. Jay Holiday put you to bed, then I'm gonna leave you comatose. Yeah, take a walk with me, lean with it and rock with me. Watch, you give me the rhythm, bitch, I don't need no beat. But I'ma go fucking crazy. Go ahead, let me off the leash. I'ma rip the sheets, I'ma make you scream. So hop on top, it's kinda strip for me. I'ma hit it from the back like a Tiffany. In my symphony, with no sympathy, you ain't in for me. You just wanna be a part of it when these fucking dudes make history like.
Watch out.
Universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came.